Our next step is going to be turning on the heat. We want to have a low-medium flame, and we're going to heat our sugar, dairy, espresso mixture until the sugar has all been dissolved. Right now it's a lovely gooey mess, and until the butter melts. And we want to have this on a relatively low temperature to begin with before we heat it up more for cooking. So we're just going to keep stirring. It's important to stir a lot while you are making your fudge. You don't ever want there to be a time where you risk having things collect on the bottom of the stove or of the pot, because you don't want things to burn. By keeping things in motion constantly, you're also going to dissipate the heat more evenly. So things such as your butter are going to melt a little bit faster because they're getting heated up more evenly. It's just important for fudge making. You really want to keep your eye on the pot at all times. So we're going to let this heat up until the butter is melted and then come back to it for our next step.